Hello guys, this is another episode where we are going to talk about our trades which we actually gave out at the beginning of the week, and we're going to see how they actually play out. We are going to see how many losing trades we have, how many winning trades we have. We actually dropped 4 tips. That's on, I think, US 30, US 100, Great Britain AUD, and uh, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, I think. I'm going to play the video so that we can actually see the tips, and we are going to actually pick those trade the same way we gave them during the week. I keep saying actually. I think I'm going to correct myself. Good. Here's the trade. Sniper entries trading tips for 29 June to 3rd July 2020. That's NASDAQ US 100, US 30, New Zealand Swiss franc, and GBPAUD. We're going to pick the trade exactly the way we wanted it to play out. So our 4 currency pair and our 4. So we are going to pick them at 2 currency pair and 2 index. We'll be looking for what to trade for next week. 100 US 100, we'll be looking for a potential. So we are going to pick the trade accordingly the way it is set here, where they put the trades and stuff, and I'm going to tell you how it actually play out, how I entered some trades, why I take some, why I took some trade, why I closed some trade. I'm going to explain them, and I'm going to show you the trades accordingly. The first trade is US 100, that's NASDAQ. So we are going to check for US 100, and we're going to go back to that specific day. US 100. And here it is. I think it's on 4 hour. Let me pick the dates. Line. I think that was 20. What was that? What was the date? Nice. Okay, 29th. So that will be 27th. So 29th and 27, 26. So I'm going to replay it from here. I think this was where the trade was when we actually set our pending order. And where was the entry point? I think we are buying here. We are going long. And where was the entry? Let me take my horizontal line. Let's see that. The entry was actually 96284. You can see it here, 96284. Okay, exactly the spots, and our stop loss is at 9361.936. What's this? 9363.6. 9363.6. 9363.6. Oh, what a marvelous trade. And the stop loss is around here, and we target 1 to 3. 1 to 3 was targeted. 1 to 3. All our trades are always 1 to 3, so I'm certain it's going to be there. And where is it? 1029 1029 10 294.3. So we'll get you now 10294.3. 102. I think is that it. 10294.3. 10294.3. Okay, and we said the first main target is 10117.3. 10117.3. 10117.3. Yeah, so these are going to be our first target, and this will be our second target according to the video, I think. Buying opportunity. Yeah, our entry is going to be 9628.4. Our stop loss is going to be 9366.0. Our first take profit is going to be 10117.3, and our final take profit, which will be 1 to 3 raised to what, is going to be 10294.3. We only trade minimum of 1 to 3 raised to reward. Good, see that. So I'm going to explain how this trade went last week. So we are going to play it and see what actually happened. At this present moment, me and my team, my student, actually knows that this market is reversing and it will not trigger this trade. So there's a way we enter this trade manually. So we actually enter this trade here, and our stop loss was way down here. Then we adjusted our trade to 1 to 3 risk to reward. Alright, so the trade, the face of the trade actually changed, because we see how the market actually changed. There are some things we actually look out for our trade. So this was how we actually picked that trade last week. The trade was unable to hit the buy limit, so, and eventually and up it hit our take profits. So that was how the trade went last week. It was not naturally supposed to be at this area. The entry was supposed to be at this, but it missed our buy limit by some pips. But me and my team took this trade manually, and we set our stop loss and target our 1 to 3, which was here, and you can see it hit our take profits quite alright. The second trade is on US30. That's Dow Jones, and look, this is one of our analysis. Actually it hit our take profits before the current order is coming down. It was me and my student that actually analyzes. So let me take this out, let me remove all drawing and go back to this day. That will be this, and let's see how it actually play out. So I'm going to move. If you want to get how we do that, or you can join our mentorship, you can actually follow the link below too. Our next trade is going to be US30. US30 has been broken structure. It has broken structure actually on an higher time frame of 4 hours. It broke this structure, this previous low, and went back. So we call this a retracement probably, and on lower time frame maybe on 1 hour, and it's still evidence on 4 hours. This is a breakup structure. Make a double top here, break it, broke this structure again, make a retracement, and down. We are going down, so potential target is here. So on GBPAUD, we look for the, all right, we are actually in this trade on US30 last week. So I believe, let me go back so that we'll see the take profit. I've been on this trade before. So last week we are actually saying potential take profit, which is below this. I believe we are on this trade before, plus above, and for short position, trade somewhere here, and our stop loss was above here, and this was our final take profit. Definitely is going to be 1 2 3. So I think let me check our entry. Our entry is actually 25611, I believe. 25611. Entry will be here. 1 2 3. So I think something like this. And this was the final take profit. The market open and ups, it went against us. So for this trade we have a losing trade. We only move the market to give us a 1-to-1 risk to reward, because at this area we're already at the 1 to 2. At this point we're already at 1 to 2.41, and when the market give us a 1-to-1 risk to reward, we break even. When they give us a 1 to 2 risk to reward, we move our entry, especially below this structure, to give us 1-to-1. So on this trade it's actually a 1-to-1. We only take a 1-to-1 reward on this before it actually take us out of the trade. So the next trade, so on GBP is in, okay, the trade to come down a little, AUD, okay, here. So on GBPAUD, we look for the trade to come down a little, then make a retracement to trigger us in, then down we go, down we go. So if you want to take the entry point for this GBPAUD, sorry, I'm going to replay on 29th, I believe. 28. Okay, I think this was where the trade was when, yes, very right. And our entry point is 1.868. 868. So our potential pending order will be around here, and where will our stop loss be? Our stop loss is 1.80529. 80529. 80529. Yeah, somewhere around there. I will target our 1 to 3 risk to reward. Something like that. It's just too hard to get. So the market opens and look at the sharp entry. Do you see that? That's sniper. It took us in and down it went and hit our take profit and eventually goes in our way. So for this trade we actually have our take profit on GBPAUD was a good trade for us. So US 100, NASDAQ 100 was awesome. US 30, we were on that trade before, so we break even. It's not even, we even took our 1-to-1 on US 30. On GBPAUD was a good successful trade, very good successful trade. So the next pair we are analyzing. If you want a safe trade, you can actually move your trade here, somewhere here. What is it called? Something like this. Please use good risk to reward, and you can take the entry, stop loss point, and this here. So for the New Zealand card, New Zealand Canadian dollar, we are actually looking for a short on this trade. You can evidently see that this was the previous low. It broke it, then retrace. So probably we see a move downward, then give us a good retracement to trigger our swing somewhere around here, and down it will go. So those are the 4 trades we'll be giving out, the tips you are going to be giving out for next week. If you want to learn how to trade this yourself or learn how to do this yourself, please follow us on. So we are going to pick the entry, the take profit, and what is it again, and the stop loss for New Zealand Swiss franc. So okay, I'm going to play 29th, which is this, I believe. Yes, exactly how it is. So our entry is 0.61050. 61050. 61050, and our stop loss 61182. 61182. Our profit is 60650. 60650. Good. Let's see. Take us in. Almost hit our stop loss, and let's trade this. Let me put this here first, so we can set our 1-to-1. Know when to adjust our trade. It's for 1-to-1. And there is our 1-to-1, and for our 1-to-2. Right there, it's going to be our 1-to-2, and the trade already got into our 1-to-2, and up it went, take us out. So we would have broke even, would have locked the trade at 1-to-1 because it has gone into our 1-to-2. Would have locked the trade there before it eventually went back from the 1-to-2 and take us out. So on US 30, it our take profit, it our 1-to-1. On NASDAQ US 100, we have our take profit hit. GBPAUD take profit hit. New Zealand Swiss franc, our 1-to-1 target was taken, and US 30 1-to-1 was achieved too. So it was a successful trade. If you want to get more of it, which will be dropping before the market opens, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button, so that whenever we are dropping our next tip, you will not miss out. All right, you will not miss out. And if you want to learn more about this, you can message us on our Instagram account at Real Detail Forex. You can message us directly. You can join our free Telegram group, and you can message the admin of the Telegram group, or you can actually search for the pips capture, the pip catcher. That's at the pips catcher. So you can actually get this on our Telegram group and get the greatest of all content of value you want. Cheers. I hope this has been helpful. Click the like button and expect more from us. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice day.